Welcome back to the channel and top of the morning to you folks. We are headed eastbound today. I'm on my way to pick up my man Bo Biddles. And we're going east. Bo Biddle. Ooh. Wake up, dude.
What's up, man?
We gotta get going. God.
Time to go?
Time to go. Look at this, folks. We're rolling deep. Look at this thing. I don't even know what year it is, but it's an F350. It's got the 7.3 ramp truck. Look at this thing. It's like brand new too. Like, I know it's old, but it's brand new. It's got the ramps. It's got the winch. Look at this. Well, we're gonna go get our car, man. We're eastbound and down. We're gonna leave the tribute to a cool car here. And now that this man is awake, you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this, man.
Let's get there.
All right, let's go.
Great. Where are we? What the? We've been driving for hours, man.
Yes.
It's been like almost 5 hours of driving, I think.
It has been.
It's been enjoyable though. This rig is nice.
I love driving this thing.
Yeah, stick shift, 5-speed. This big old girl. Look at that thing all the way back there. Can't wait.
In 10 miles, turn left onto West Laurel Avenue.
Yeah, you probably may have heard our GPS there telling us that we need to do stuff. So, all right, I guess many miles down, more to go, and we will check in once we get to the vehicle. But we've kind of made it, I guess, for the moment.
We're almost there. We're kind of in the home stretch, man.
Home stretch. All right, let's get there already. Okay, folks, we got it. Bo-Biddle. Say our final goodbyes to her.
Yeah, say your final goodbye.
We appreciate you letting us come pick this thing up. This truck was a blast to drive over here. Look at these views, folks. Look at these views this man has from his yard. It's so nice. Wraps all the way around. So, all right, well, I guess we're locked and loaded. We're ready to hit the road, right, Bo-Biddle?
Let's do it.
Man, it's been such a fun drive. What is that? Is that a boat on the side of the road?
Yeah, just go ahead and leave your boat there.
Yeah,
buddy.
bro, okay. So the car's on, we're hitting the road. Dude, tell that dude to get off our ass. What's going on?
Yeah, man. I can't shake it, man. He is like the tailgate. He's
On us. Let's pick one of those BMW guys. Great. Ooh, bro.
It's sharp.
Yeah, it's fun. We get these really amazing, look at this turn.
This is actually
What's going on?
a beautiful part of Tennessee.
Are we in Tennessee or Virginia or
We're back in
North
Tennessee.
Carolina?
We're going to go back into Virginia in a minute, and we're going to go back into Tennessee.
Wherever it is we are, we're still going and looking at pretty cool farmhouses along the side of the road. That place is awesome. Bunch of cool places along the side of the road. All right, we're going to get off into those mountains. Great. Okay, we stopped for fuel. And look what is going on here? What's going on? I guess we're in winter wonderland here.
Yeah.
In the general
Sevierville?
Knoxville area. You can see there's wonderful things going on over there. Pretty exciting, and sunset, beautiful at a gas station.
It's beautiful out here tonight.
Your favorite.
Sevierville, as the locals pronounce it.
Suburban. Man, that car looks so cool on this truck. It's awesome.
I think I'm more excited about driving this truck today than I am about picking up
The car?
the donor car.
Yeah, you're right. He's probably right.
Driving
All right.
this truck is awesome.
All right, well, let's get a move on here. See if we can make our way back to town, get this thing off here, and call it a night. My man Bo Biddle is just backing her on in. How's it going, dude?
Oh, good.
Trying to blind you.
Hey, little close here. Hey, is that good? We're gonna drop the ramps.
Yeah, we're good. That's good.
Good?
We're good.
Hey,
we made it.
You know,
Is that light bright?
A little bit.
A little bright? All right.
Maybe you can help me out here instead of worry about blinding me. And
We're just trying to film.
You got guidance.
Great. All right, let's get this thing off. Okay, folks. Here she is. She's unloading. Let off the brake or you're not going to be able to roll, man. There she is. in all her glory in our temporary home. You probably can't see it because it's so dark, but all right, well, we're gonna go get this thing cleaned up and drop it off.